of the bottle?
So you finished 3/4 of a bottle of wine by yourself, and you thought it was okay to load your kid into a car and drive him across State Road 54 at 5:30 at the end in the middle of the.
God, how dare you do this to me? Shut up!
Touch me again. That's battery on a wheel. I'm not going to do that today.
Have you ever seen $3 million disappear at a casino and seen it go down in flames even more expensively? In today's video, Susan turns the lobby of a luxury resort into her personal fight club, shoving staff, cursing at guests, and punching an officer. Let's get started. Drunk millionaire's wife attacks everyone after husband loses $3 million gambling. April 1st, 2023, Palm Coast, Florida. Inside a luxury resort where the cocktails are expensive and the drama is even pricier. Susan had been drinking heavily when the news dropped. Her husband had just blown $3 million at the casino tables. A meltdown was brewing that had pulled in security, police, and half the lobby as an audience. The situation began at the resort's bar, where Susan was seen physically assaulting her husband. In the lobby, Susan's rage was in full swing. She cursed out guests, shoved security staff, and went right back after her husband. Resort personnel couldn't contain her. They called in the Flagler County Sheriff's Office.
You ready? You ready?
Came over here about an hour ago, had a couple glasses of wine.
Really?
Husband's here behind you, trying to take a punch. You refuse to leave.
You really?
All right, where are you staying at?
I live here.
You live here?
Yeah.
Okay.
I live here.
Are you
I'm her husband.
your better half? You need to get her home safely?
If I can get her to the car.
Yeah. I live here.
No,
I live here.
Hey, man, I want you to be quiet for me for just a moment, okay?
I don't break for obvious reasons.
You want to motherfucking screw me?
Listen, I'm Deputy Logs from the Sheriff's Office. You're going to go with your husband. You're going to call it a night, okay? You're going to go. If you cause any further disturbance, you're going to be drunk and disorderly, and I'm going to put you in handcuffs. No, I'm not here to argue. You're going to go with your husband. Understood? Let's stand up. Let's go. It's time for you to go, ma'am. Go with your husband, okay? He's going to get you home safe.
Are you kidding me? Are you
Having a good day so far. Let's keep it that way, okay? You're going to go with your husband.
kidding me?
Absolutely. We told you multiple times.
Are you
Park down here. I wonder if you'll let me.
Come on, let's go. What's your name?
Susan.
Susan, this way, Susan. Susan.
Are you kidding me?
Do you guys have a wheelchair?
97 at the time, we're on the ground.
Susan.
Let me find out.
All right, well, if we could just somewhere we
Has
can.
a wheelchair.
Susan. Susan, you touch me again. I'm gonna let that slide. You touch me again, that's battery on a wheel. I'm not gonna do that today. Susan, we're gonna arrange for a ride. We're gonna go home.
Oh my God!
That's all right. I just need to, just so I can say I've dealt with her.
You fucking piece
I'll take her name and date of birth. Susan, you're gonna remain seated, okay?
Shut up! Oh my God! How dare you do this to me?
211, I'm 1012. If you hit your husband one more time, you're gonna go to jail. Understood?
Shut up! You
That's it.
piece of shit.
Hey, stand.
When officers arrived on the scene, they found Susan behaving aggressively and uncooperatively. Officers tried to talk her down. They gave her warnings. They told her she was heading toward arrest. Her answer? More yelling, more shoving. When she struck an officer, the decision was made. She was cuffed and booked for battery on a law enforcement officer. Before jail, she was taken to the hospital to make sure she was medically cleared. Even there, she was hostile, glaring at staff, muttering insults.
Stand up. I'm sorry, I got to arrest her. Okay? She hit you. She hit me.
That's what happened way back in New Jersey.
Is it?
20 years ago it's happened. Yeah.
All right. Hey, you're gonna sit. You're gonna sit right here. How much you had to drink today, Susan?
Shut the fuck up!
Kick me again. Stop.
Hey, stop it. You're going to get in so much trouble, Susan.
Oh, I've already been in trouble.
To him.
You better stop.
You're her husband, right?
I'm her husband.
All right. Can you give me that? Can I get your ID real quick? Susan.
Sit down.
Shut up!
Sit down. You're going to get in trouble. You better stop it.
Oh, I guess I'm already in trouble.
Susan,
I
stop.
don't care. Shoot him. Shoot him.
No one is getting shot. That's not okay.
You need to stop.
Do George, I'm done with you.
I parked all the way up at the...
Deal with it.
We're gonna go to my car.
All right, come on.
Okay,
Use the papers.
okay, thank you. Oh, no. Okay, we can.
One foot in front of the other.
Okay, no.
In my
I
bag.
know.
Rip it off.
God, don't wait till then. Oh, God, this is going to kill me. I mean, I know. How can you please? Emily? I promise
Maybe
you.
next time we won't drink so much, right?
Yeah, I promise.
Yeah, that probably
I
Susan, all you had to do was listen.
To her bed.
I copy.
You think she would have passed out?
I know.
But I don't know that.
Help
If
me.
further violence were to happen.
Can you guys
So-
help me?
All right, Susan. You're gonna sit back here for a moment, okay? Then we're gonna go to my car. I decided to get my steps in there parked in the...
I get it.
Legs, can you get in there? So, Susan, here's what's gonna happen, okay?
On the ride to jail. The blame game began. If my husband hadn't lost $3 million, none of this would have happened. She mocked the officer's strength, tore into Florida's legal system, and made it clear she wasn't taking responsibility for a single thing. The woman was charged: battery on a law enforcement officer, battery on husband and resort staff, disorderly conduct. Susan now faced a criminal record and a reputation that no amount of luxury could buy back.
Either my partner's gonna go around the other side, we're gonna pull you in, or you can sit in there like a grown adult, okay? I get you're intoxicated, but you're gonna be a grown adult right now.
Stop it.
And
Get in.
you put your feet down there. All right, are we in? This is your opportunity because you've had a high amount of alcohol today. I want to make sure you don't need to be seen by a doctor, okay? So put your legs out. We just did. Come on. Come on. All right, Susan. Just have a seat. Yes, you're going to jail.
Why?
Because you battered me, you battered your husband. You want to put your feet up on that? Look, feet up there. Put your feet on that.
So did he actually charge me with domestic violence?
Flagler Delta 212, 1065 is signal 17.
Well, what did you observe?
Flagler Delta 221, status check.
I can't find my shoes.
Flagler Delta
I got
221,
your shoes.
status check.
Oh,
Flagler Delta 221, status check.
are we going there? You think they'll let me make a phone call when I get there?
Yeah, they will. You
Oh, that's good. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Well, you seem optimistic. You seem very optimistic. What?
They'll probably let you make a couple phone calls if you're nice.
No way. A
They get
couple?
one for sure. I don't know. I don't work the jail, so
Huh.
I've never been arrested.
Lucky you. I guess you've never been married.
No, I haven't.
Well, don't do it. I'll tell you, it's trouble. It's nothing but trouble. I sure hope they let me make a phone call. I sure hope my son picks up. I think he will. You know, once I get out of here, I've got to go. And you know what? No offense to anyone, but I'm going to tell. And I don't even go on social media because I hate social media. I'm not a gossipy kind of person. I don't like any of that kind of stuff. But I will go online and tell everyone I know, don't go to Florida or your life will. I mean, it's just. I mean, I'm a Catholic girl. I never committed a crime in my entire life. And I've been in jail about 9 times in Florida. And I guess if I ever get out of this mess, I'm going to have to tell everyone, do not go to Florida. You'll wind up in jail for nothing. Because this place is crazy. It's crazy. Oh, come on. Are you kidding me? I'm like fucking 90 pounds. If I hit a guy, Lucy hit Ricky. Oh, come on. Man up, man. Guys can take it. What, are you kidding? You can't handle a woman hitting you? Well, then you better fucking go back to the drawing board. Because I'll tell you, man. Guys used to be strong. I don't know what they are now. I guess they're all gay and they all want to be trannies. Guys used to be strong. Guys used to be strong. You could handle a woman. I mean, come on. Do you know what George did to me? Do you even want me to tell you what George did to me? We had $3 million like in our pocket, and he blew it all over and over and over and over again. He lost all of our money. We would have been down here living large, feeling good. And you know what? I never, ever, ever, ever blamed him. Never. I never blamed him. Because I understand how it goes. I understand. Why can't men understand? Why is it that whenever I get upset, I get arrested? Isn't it funny how men get upset and they lose millions of dollars and I never say anything? Never. I never say anything. But the one time I get upset, fucking cops come. What does that tell you? What does that tell you? What does that tell you? I'm 90 pounds on a wet day. You can knock me out with one punch. And don't think I don't know it. So you have to drag me to jail. You have to lock me up. Because you're so fucking afraid of me. You're so afraid of me.
Susan's actions led to multiple legal violations under Florida law. The primary charge against her was battery on a law enforcement officer, Flay. Stat Cyber 478407, a felony that criminalizes the willful touching or striking of an officer. The penalties for this offense can be severe, including imprisonment for up to 5 years, fines up to $5,000 or both, depending on the severity of the incident and the individual's criminal history. Additionally, Susan faced charges of battery Flay, Stat 478403, which involves intentionally touching or striking another person against their will. This charge is categorized as a first-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year in jail and fines up to $1,000. If the battery involves multiple victims or significant injury, the charges could be elevated. She was also charged with disorderly conduct Flay, Stat 487703, which involves actions that disrupt public order and is classified as a second-degree misdemeanor, carrying potential penalties of up to 60 days in jail and fines up to $500. Drunk mom. Drinks whole wine bottle, tries to drive with her kid in the car. August 2022, Florida. A routine stop at a gas station turned into a full-blown child endangerment case that would pull in police. A school teacher, and Child Protective Services. The incident began when a Good Samaritan intervened to prevent the woman from leaving the store with a case of beer, having noticed her visibly intoxicated state.
So, I mean, reasonably, how could she have gotten here besides driving? I'm not worried about DUI, I'm worried about child neglect.
Oh, this is child neglect all day long.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
The issue we have now is she's by herself. And dad is somewhere like 2-3 hours away. This is a child neglect case all day.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, I mean, how long was she in the store for?
I don't know, because when I came out, one of the ladies was calling, and the other one, the dark hair, was talking to her.
Well, no, that's a huge issue.
And he was in the car.
I think it's only 5 minutes.
No, so he was in the store with us.
So he's not lining up that story.
No, I'm definitely going to call CPI. I don't feel comfortable leaving this kid with her. I'm not leaving this kid with her.
Even the friend, you don't even know his identity.
Yeah. Give me a minute. I'm going to go pull primary, pull the case number, and then we'll go from there. Keep that lady away from this kid, please. Thank you.
When law enforcement officers arrived at the racetrack gas station, they were met with a troubling scene. In the parking lot, her car, with a young child sitting inside. The smell was overwhelming, her speech was slurred, and she admitted it herself. She downed almost an entire bottle of wine before getting behind the wheel. The only reason she'd come to the gas station? To buy more alcohol.
Hey, are you busy? All right, could you hop on my call, head over my way, please? I'm at the racetrack near the Suncoast. So, yeah, so this is probably going to be in a child neglect that I'm probably going to go 10-15 on. And we're going to have to call CPI to come take the kid because she has no one to take this kid with.
Awesome.
All right?
All right, yes.
All right.
You guys at the racetrack?
Yeah, we're at the racetrack right now.
Okay. Yeah, give me a minute.
All right, no problem. No problem. I appreciate it. Hey, so I just walked into a mess. So I'm here at the racetrack with Cherukian and Marine 3. They got a call about this lady that was falling over all over the place inside of the racetrack. They get here, they do some investigating. Turns out that this lady drove here, openly admitted that she was intoxicated, drove here with the kid to get more alcohol, and I mean, she's visibly intoxicated right now. She has no one to drop the kid off. She's admitting that she said she drove intoxicated with this kid. I'm thinking 10-15 for child neglect. Now, let me ask you, how do I get a hold of CPI? Because I've never had to do a CPI call out. Okay. All right. So I'm pulling a case number right now. I have another third shift unit coming out because someone's gonna have to stay with this kid if we go 10-15. So I'm already working on that. I'm gonna talk to this lady again. Honestly, after what they gathered, and I imagine I'm gonna double check that they were just spontaneous utterances in a non-custodial interview. She came from right south of 54, that apartment complex on Fountainside. Yeah, I'm gonna double check a couple of things with these guys, and then I'm gonna talk to her, post Miranda, and see what she has to say.
As officers tried to piece things together, a school teacher who happened to be at the gas station told them she had been temporarily caring for the child earlier in the day. The concern was immediate. Police called in Child Protective Services. By the end of the night, the child was placed safely with a relative.
So the guest was saying that she was very extremely intoxicated. I mean, usually I've seen her all the time. She seems just fine.
Yeah.
I didn't take care of her personally when the whole incident happened because our credit card went down, so I was like trying to take care of that.
Who was actually dealing with her or involved with her?
My associate, she's inside. But nothing seemed like really out of the norm, to be honest, until the other guest said something.
Okay. Was there any point where she was falling over or not standing up straight or anything that led you to believe that she was off today?
The only thing that seemed a little off was when she was telling her kid that they weren't even going to get anything, and she was trying to hold her back a little bit, but she didn't really see.
Okay, so she didn't fall over or stumble or anything like that? Okay.
That just seemed a little off for me because I always see her all the time, and I usually take care of her.
I get it.
But
That's why I was I didn't know if it'd be a double dip.
Okay, thank you. But yeah, no, I mean, that's what still doesn't change much. This lady's admitting to drinking non-custodially. Where's the forward temple?
So, I'm not to interrupt you, but the statute, I've read it, because I was I know there's a part here that you don't have to prove it. Mm-hmm. So, it's by either knowledge or omission. Mm-hmm. So, I don't know what she admitted to or what's going on.
She's over there.
But,
just so long as someone's with the kid.
You know what I mean? We can prove that she was driving the car, right? I'm sure there's a camera right there, it points right down to her car.
Yeah.
So, and all we have to articulate is that she's under the influence.
Mm-hmm.
So,
which she's already admitted, right?
Disorderly intoxication. She even said that she came back over here to get a glass of wine.
After she admitted to drinking over at the house? Okay. All right, and so let me ask you, Deputy Cherubian, with your experience, would you determine that she's probably under the influence of some form of intoxicant?
She just said we're in Clearwater.
Okay, cool.
Unfortunately, my camera...
No, it's fine. It's fine. I mean, so again, at this point, I think we have more than enough, especially with her admitting that stuff non-custodially.
So it's disorderly. So it's disorderly intoxication for which she didn't store child neglect.
The woman was arrested and charged with 2 serious offenses: child neglect and disorderly intoxication. Child neglect charges were brought due to her decision to drive under the influence with a minor in the vehicle, posing significant risks to the child's safety.
I'm Deputy Garcia.
Why are you?
Because you're not listening to me. I just explained why. You're not listening to me. I'm Deputy Garcia, okay? You're Miss
Yes.
Answer my question. Are you Miss
Yes.
Okay, all right. So I'm going to explain to you what's going on. At this point, we're conducting a lawful investigation into child neglect, okay? So before you start, I'm going to advise you of your Miranda rights, okay? Because at this point, you're detained. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights as I've explained them to you?
Yes.
Okay, so you understand everything that I've explained to you?
What?
Do you understand each of these statements that I've said to you, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
But why?
Why what?
He explained to you that you're detained. He has to read your
Why
Miranda
am I
rights.
being detained?
Okay. So I just explained it. I'm conducting a criminal investigation into child neglect.
The child? No, it's not. It's not like that.
Okay, so what's been going on today, ma'am? Because I'm going to be
Okay,
honest,
so
speaking to
I
you,
was-
in the 2
I'm
minutes,
moving.
just wait 1 second. In the 2 minutes that I'm speaking to you, it already seems like something's wrong. It seems like you're impaired to some degree. So what's going on?
Impaired? Give me a drug test.
Okay.
Because I'm not into, I'm not,
Next to that white one.
I don't do drugs.
Sir, what you saying?
Are you serious?
So you explained to both of my deputies that you have been drinking wine at your house. And
I have
that,
been drinking, yeah, I have been drinking wine because I'm moving.
okay, so you've been
I'm
drinking
moving
wine.
to a different complex.
Okay, all right, so
Okay.
you've been drinking wine. How much wine have you been drinking today?
Following her arrest, the woman faced legal proceedings and was sentenced to 2 months of probation. Her actions left no room for excuses. In court, she was sentenced to 2 months of probation and slapped with a $4,200 fine.
I don't know. Probably
You don't know.
Like, a bottle, maybe?
A bottle. So would you say that you finished that bottle prior to you driving here?
Not really, no.
What's not really? How much of the bottle did you finish?
I don't know, like 3/4 of the bottle?
So you finished 3/4 of a bottle of wine by yourself, and you thought it was okay to load your kid into a car and drive him across State Road 54
Why are you talking to
at
me like
5:30 at the end in the middle of the day when there is traffic like there's no one's business. You thought that was okay?
Well, why are you talking to me like that?
Answer my question. You thought that was okay?
I was just trying to go back to my apartment to pack up my stuff
That's
because
not my
I'm
question.
moving.
That's not my question. Did you think it was okay after drinking 3/4 of a
At
bottle of wine?
that point in time, no, I did not.
So you didn't think
So
it was
I'm gonna
okay, but
say
you
no.
still did it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Do me a favor. Put your hands behind your back. I'm not playing this fucking game with you. Hold that. Follow me.
Wow. Really?
Lean
You're
up
gonna
against the
do
car.
all
Lean up
of
against
this?
the car. Spread your
You're gonna
legs.
do all of this?
Lean up against the car. All right. Do you have anything on you?
No.
Okay.
I didn't do anything.
Sit in the car.
I didn't do anything.
Sit in the car.
Under Florida statutes, Part 827(3), child neglect occurs when a caregiver fails to provide adequate care or protection, potentially resulting in significant harm to the child. For a third-degree felony, penalties include up to 5 years in prison, 5 years of probation, and a fine up to $5,000. If the neglect is severe or involves a child under 6, it can escalate to a second-degree felony, with penalties of up to 15 years in prison, 15 years of probation, and a fine up to $10,000, along with possible mandatory parenting classes or counseling. Disorderly intoxication under Florida statutes Part 856.011 involves public intoxication that disrupts peace or safety. It is typically a second-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to 60 days in jail, 6 months of probation, and a fine up to $500. Additional consequences may include community service or substance abuse counseling. These penalties aim to protect children and ensure public safety through both punitive and rehabilitative measures. Let's move to this next woman where things might get even worse. A sunny afternoon in a quiet suburban neighborhood, the kind of day where nothing exciting happens, until the roar of a purple Lamborghini breaks the silence. Seconds later, the sound of metal on metal can be heard. Police were quickly dispatched to the scene of the accident after receiving reports of the incident. When neighbors rushed out, what they saw, a $200,000 Lamborghini had slammed into the back of a mid-sized sedan.
Afternoon, we called you. We were standing here and we got rear-ended by this Lamborghini over there, the blue one.
The purple one.
Or the purple one,
And,
yeah.
and we got the thing like this.
I don't know if that is, it was a pretty big bang, but you know, we have that and blocked everything.
Can you not get out?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
How old are you? 18? Put your mom on the phone?
Yeah.
What did she say?
I'm coming.
Did she say you're not 18?
I just turned 18.
Okay.
Like a week, like 2
Are you hurt?
No, I'm just
Excited? This is the first crash? Okay, you know, things happen, it's all right.
Inside the sedan, an elderly couple, shaken but still alive. Behind the wheel of the Lamborghini, an 18-year-old TikTok girl named Melania, still in the mood to celebrate her birthday.
Yep, that's it.
Registration. Do you have the insurance? All right. Melania?
I'm gonna call someone that has the insurance.
Okay, hold on one second. You gotta listen to me, all right?
Okay.
Is that your first name, Melania?
Yeah.
Am I saying it right?
Yeah.
Okay, what happened?
I was just going and then they were at the stop sign and then they pulled forward and slammed on the brakes, but I didn't know they were gonna slam that hard. So I guess they just kind of tapped me with it. I didn't even hit them that hard.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, Melania, what's your phone number?
Nine.
Who is Juicy's LLC to you?
My dad.
Okay, what kind of company is that?
Like my dad's.
The police arrived quickly, but Melania seemed unfazed. She smiled, chatted, and even told the police that she was just glad no one was hurt. Her explanation? The car in front of her slammed on its brakes, and she couldn't stop in time. But there was another problem. She didn't have her driver's license with her. She gave them her father's contact information, mentioning his connection, almost as if that might help.
Just had to.
I know, see that. So the way and this is all on body cam, right? So you know.
Yeah.
I don't like it. It's part of my job.
Yeah.
I really don't like it, but she's at fault, and by our department policy, if I don't give her a ticket, then I'm gonna get in trouble. Okay.
I understand.
It is what it is.
Yeah.
It's nothing serious. It's not criminal.
Yeah.
Insurance is gonna be a little bit different with that being a Lambo, but
What is the other patient's car damaged?
minor damage.
Is it?
Yeah. You have more damage than the other car.
I have more damage?
I'm talking about the sheet. I'm fine.
Oh, you have more damage?
Yeah.
Why she has damage?
Yeah.
We didn't see it.
It's the passenger side front.
That's what I walked past and said, wow, you got lucky. Why are you crying? She literally just got this for her birthday.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right. Sorry.
It's okay. Thank you.
All
right.
Bear with me. Bear with me for a minute, all right? I gotta write this.
Go for a facial. Can she?
Yeah.
She's
The officer, seeing the severity of the accident and the high-value car involved, wrote Melania up for careless driving. She was told she could appeal the case, pay the fine, or take driving lessons to avoid points on her license. No handcuffs, no arrests, just an expensive lesson and a viral moment she probably didn't want.
Hey, you okay?
Yeah.
All right. Is this your first crash?
Yeah.
Okay. It's not going to be your first ticket, though. And I'm sorry, it's my part of my job I don't like, but you're at fault for the crash and we have to do that. Okay? So, that's yours. This is the driver's exchange, all right? That's the crash number, case number, report number. That's all their information, insurance, numbers. That's all yours, okay?
Okay.
So this is the ticket. It's going to be for careless. You can test it in court. That's your constitutional right. You can pay for it. You can get the points on your license. Or you can go to school. You pay for the school and the ticket, but the points won't go on your license.
Okay.
You're pretty young. I'm not telling you what to do, but if I were in your shoes, that's what I would do.
The school?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay? Whatever you decide to do, you got to take care of it in 30 days or they will suspend your license. All right? It's 166. All your options are on the back.
Okay.
All right?
Thank you.
You got any questions?
Yeah.
All right.
In Ohio, careless driving is defined under Ohio Revised Code Section 4511.2G as operating a vehicle without due regard for the safety of persons or property, which can result in fines, points on the driver's license, and possible license suspension. Additionally, Ohio Revised Code Section 4507.35 requires drivers to carry their license while operating a vehicle. Failure to present it upon request can lead to additional fines and legal issues. Drivers must also comply with Ohio Revised Code Sections 4509.101, which mandate carrying proof of insurance and vehicle registration. Though Melania had these documents, adherence to these requirements is essential to prevent further legal complications. All right, fellas, what do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting and educational contents in the future. Thanks for your support.